You see, in nature, there are drive-throughs off the side of the road that you can hit. In this case, the moose is a number 3, hold the ketchup, extra mayo right there.
We just caught a fish that had this in its mouth.
Jeez, is it still?
We need to start using bigger bait.
No way.
Let me back up. Let me back up.
Weight sucker.
Jeez, nearly the same size of the fish was swallowed. Whoa, that buck was definitely frozen in motion. Let's see some more nature.
Hey, watch my truck. Oh, was it Nissan?
Oh, God.
Oh, well, that's nice.
Okay.
Son of a gun.
Yes, sir. You put your big rig up against a 10-foot gator. You kind of asked for that one, buddy. Next.
What are you boys thinking?
It's nice knowing you.
They're not leaving. Who in their right mind would just sit there and watch? It's coming at them. We told Mama we ain't coming home without a 3-man limit.
Raise your mouth up. No, look at me.
Anything for the gram, as they say. Next. Don't do that. If there's a tornado coming at you during a hunt, flee for your life. Don't sit there in the duck pond and take pictures. What we got going on here? Oh, 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 Mama Moose comes out the clouds. That's one of the most lethal animals out there, Mama Moose with a baby moose.
Hey! Hey! Oh.
We just witnessed a pawing beatdown. Next, nature's brutal. Don't mess with it or you will get hoofed. A bass getting inspected for what's in his mouth. I don't know if this dude's a dentist or not or whatever, but we're going to have to see what he's pulling out. What is this? Jeez, that bass took down I guess a chipmunk or a mouse.
This just came out of this.
That's a big breakfast for a small fish. Next. Oh, lovely little baby duck. He's just having a lovely swim. Oh! He's gone. Circle of life. Next. Okay. Hunter just shot a doe. Wait a minute. Oh my God. The coyote is attacking the hit doe from a previous shot. Jeez. Oh wait, the hunter's about to get back into the circle of life. She's shooting the coyote. Oh my God. Oh my God, you gotta love that.